guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making banana bread. Now we are going to be heating up the oven to 350 degrees. Perfect. I washed my hands. You don't want any germs in the food. Let's get cooking. Now we are going to be putting the oil into the pan. Spread on the outsides too. Well, not like this outside, like the outsides of the insides. Okay, that just makes sense. Just spread it in the inside. Okay, now we're gonna do 12 of 1 tablespoon. And it's called alcohol, but it's actually just like chickpea water. So now we are going to stir the alcohol and go on medium. You can use a hand mixer or a blender. Come look. And so I'm just gonna put it right. Next, we're gonna mash 6 bananas. Let's get them right over here. That's where we always keep our bananas. They're nice and ripe, a bit too ripe. So don't forget to peel them. I'm getting hypnotized. See you when I'm done peeling it. $102, $103, $104. I think I did 178. I think some pieces are chunky. Oh, it looks like I'm done. Now we are going to add a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Now we are going to put 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into the bowl and let it sit. We're making vegan butter. Now you're going to add the sugar and olive oil, 2/3 of a cup. Let's add some sugar. Guys, this is so cool. I dumped it in come here. It's like, this is a little beach and then this is a giant sand castle. But just put the oil. Put some oil. Now we'll add the aquafaba. Aquafaba. Okay, who even cares how it sounds? That was actually almond milk. This is the real aquafaba. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1 more, and a lot of this too. Hallelujah. Mix it and low. We're gonna add the bananas all mixed in. Half or a little bit less, and then I'll mix it up. It's good. 1/4. Let's mix. We're gonna add 4 cups of flour. 2 more cups of flour. Now we're going to add the cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. And then stir. We're mixing. Scooby-Doo. I watched Scooby-Doo this morning. My dad forced me. I don't really like it anyway. So that's good. But it was an old thing. My dad's mom used to watch it. I know, it's crazy. Scooby-Doo is the best, but I don't like it whenever I can, I find your phone and then take videos. And when I hug you, then I actually put your finger on the phone because that's the password, your finger. And I know your password. Do you want me to tell you? My dad's like, no. It is. Right, Dad? So if you ever want to get in my dad's phone, it's okay? Good. I released another video a couple weeks ago, and it's bacon chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip bacon cookies. Bacon chocolate chip cookies. Now we'll add the walnuts. You don't have to add walnuts if you don't want to. Now you're going to ladle the batter into the bread pans. How many minutes already? Now we're going to put them in the oven for 45 minutes. Now my dad is adding the oven. Now we are going to be taking our bread out of the oven, banana bread. We'll let it cool for 15 minutes. It's cooled, now it's ready to slice. Now we are going to be eating it, and it's all cooled off. And like and subscribe to my channel, and next video is gonna probably be fresh applesauce. Now it's time to eat. Let's take our first bite.